Hello guys, welcome to Ielts Mate. So guys, if you watch this video full, I guarantee that next time when you answer the speaking question in front of an examiner, your answer is going to be more fluent, longer and more complex than ever before. So if you follow, this is only possible if you follow each and every trick given in this video, and if you choose not to watch, then it is going to be your loss forever. So this is a very crucial video to watch, and if you watch my other videos also, I request you to please also subscribe the channel and like the video only if you like it, and for that you need to watch the video. And as I'm saying, your answer is going to be complex, long and fluent. Your speaking answer is going to be fluent, long and complex very easily if you watch this video.
First of all, in many IELTS institutes or in videos also, you will see trainers will say, just start the answer by saying, I think, well, I think, well, I guess. Most of the students use these phrases in order to start the answers, but this is a big mistake because you are losing a opportunity to, elongate your answers. You can elongate your answer. You can make your answers longer by using longer starting phrases. Okay. Now, some students will say learned phrases cannot be used. If you're using learned phrases, your bands would deduct. But this is not so, because the phrases I will provide you in this video are unique. Not many students know them, and these will not become common very easily. So you have to, if you are first to watch this video, if you are among first few students to watch this video, you will be able to get the benefit of using these unique phrases first hand. Okay. So the first phrase, when you're starting the answer, you can say, well, I can start off by saying that. I will start off by saying that. I would kick off by saying that. Kick off means start off, and बाद में o double f वाला off है. So I would start off by saying that. Now, what is the benefit of using this phrase is it will make your answer little fluent. First benefit, it will make your second answer fluent. Kaise? Because you will be learning that phrase and it will come automatically. And second is, it will make you more confident and make your answer longer. It will make your answer longer. And third is, it will add complex sentence in your answer, easily complex sentence. Because if you are trying to adding simple sentence, like if the question is, do you like your city? Well, I can start off by saying that I'm really fond of my city. If you're just saying, well, I think I'm fond of my city, this is simple answer. Now if you say, I'm starting off, or I can start off by saying that I'm really fond of my city, then this is complex sentence. So that include karne se, just by including that you are making your sentence complex sentence without you knowing that. Okay. And will be more confident also. Now, second phrase I'm going to tell you. There are many times when we are adding something to our answers and we automatically use moreover, and sometimes we even don't use moreover and start just like we go on saying adding sentences and sentences and not even adding a linker. Obviously, linking words or linking phrases are important because it will get you mark in coherence and cohesion. So if you are using moreover, furthermore, that is fine. But if you want to still score more higher and want to upgrade it, you can use, well, I should not forget to mention that. Well, I should not forget to mention that. If you are adding another idea to your already given idea. Okay, so in the middle, what you can say, well, I should not forget to mention that. Like if you have said one information about city, well, I can start off by saying that I'm really fond of my city. It provides really great amenities, and I should not forget to mention that it has ample of parks where children can enjoy. They can play games, and they can play sports and develop themselves. So this is the second phrase, and now I'm coming up with the third phrase that is even more important. So keep watching this video. The third phrase is, you can say, master trick. Nobody will tell you. When would questions arrive, obviously these are little more scary than any other question. Would questions means they are putting you imaginary question, like, would you like to change your name? Would you like to change your subject? Would you like to move to another city? So it will be like the little scary, because you have never thought of such situations in your daily life. But in IELTS you have to really think of, would you like to do that or not? But when we are answering that question, we need a little more time. We need a time. In order to provide you that time, you can provide yourself that time by adding this phrase, the upcoming phrase. So if the examiner has asked, so would you like to move to a coastal city? Coastal city means the city where there is beach. Okay, so would you like to move to a coastal city? And you are saying, actually this is not something I have ever considered, but if I get a chance, or but if I think about it, if I really think about it, तो itke baad you can add your answer, because you have got immense time to think and immense time to get confident. And even if your answer is little lame, that would do, because you this phrase is making your sentence complex sentence. Your This phrase is automatically turning your sentence into complex sentence. Now what was my phrase? I need to make you learn this. Actually this is not something I have ever considered. It means ये वो नहीं है जो मैंने कभी भी सोचा हो, पर फिर भी अगर मैं सोचूं तो, actually this is not something that I have ever considered. I means I have never considered this. Ever ko please don't replace by never, because is not is there. Is not is already negative, so don't replace that ever with never. I'm saying ever only, I'm not saying never. Okay, actually this isn't something that I have ever considered, but if I think about it, I would say. Now this is really long and making your sentence really complex. Like, actually this isn't something I've ever considered, but if I think about it, I would say. You have to add a little movements, and intonation. In like, you have to change the tone, and act as like as if you are thinking, and you have not learned that. Obviously you have to act a little in order to show that you have not learned the things, and that would be the magical trick to give you band scores, because trainer will not understand, will not easily recall that you have learned the things instead of speaking simultaneously. So actually this isn't something that I have ever considered, but if I think about it, I think I would say that I would really try. I would really love to move to Mumbai, because I would be able to get the opportunity to go to the beach every other day, enjoying the beach, and I would be able to get into the water sports. I'd be able to enjoy sports with my family and have really quality time. So this is the simple answer. I think I have spoken simplest answer and no bigger level, but my phrase is giving the level to the answer, giving the required level to the answer. Now, last but not the least are like dislike questions, and you can make those question answers to those questions longer also, just by replacing that like word and dislike word by longer phrases, and not the simple like किसी का fond of ऐसा नहीं है. You can replace with some higher level phrases like, oh yes, absolutely, I'm quite keen on. So, do you like pets? Absolutely, I'm quite keen on pets. I'm quite keen on animals. I'm quite keen on cats and dogs. Or you can say, I am really fond of. Or you can say, I adore. I simply adore. Or I can say, I'm big fan of. I'm big fan of is also very common to be used among native speakers. I am a big fan of. Or if you are saying negative, like you're saying you don't do not like that particular thing, you can say, well, frankly, I'm not a very big fan of. I'm not very keen on. I'm not very keen on animals. I'm not very keen on pets. I'm not a very big fan of pets. I do not adore. I do not really adore pets. And then your answer will go on with why. Okay. So these were some tricks, and these are not all the tricks. I would include few more also. If you comment in the comment section if you want more tricks, and I'm giving WhatsApp number also in the description. If you want to have online coaching on IELTS writing task 2 or any other module, you can just WhatsApp me. So thank you for watching, and also please comment and like and subscribe the channel, like the video. Thank you.